Hello guys! For today's vlog, I'll be unboxing surprise gift for myself. Um, this one. What's inside this cellophane? I mean box. So let's see and just enjoy. I just roam around one of the outlet shop here in Al Ain. So with my friends. So I don't have really the urge to buy, but just to accompany my friend who wants to buy a new shoes. So I'll go with him. But when I reached the store, I saw these shoes and it's very useful for my work. So ito na guys. So I got this Nike box. Yeah. So what's inside this box? We'll see. And let's see guys. Ta-dang! I got a new shoes. This is Nike Zoom. This one. This is the shoes I bought. So let me check first. So this is it. So this is the shoes, Nike shoes, Nike Zoom. So I still have the price tag. It was 499. Then I got a 50% discount because I bought it in a outlet shop. So it's 249 dirhams. I don't know how much that in pesos. So the size is, see, what's my shoe size? It's 8 US, UK 7, Euro 41. In CM it's 26, in Britain it's 39.5, and I think it's in Canada. And this is made in China. Of course, everything is made in China, guys. Actually, it's a running shoes, but I love this type of shoes because it's very comfortable in my feet. So I always walking uh, in my workplace because as a safety officer and a store in charge, so I always walk and and I feel comfortable with the shoes. So uh, and it also this is the same color with my uh, duty uniform, navy blue. So I like blue. That's why um, I don't have any hesitation to buy these shoes because I so really love it. And this is it, guys. And new Nike Zoom. Yeah, see, it's very nice. What the sole inside? Uh, there's a print on it. Running. I think this for running. It's a running shoes actually. So I need to get the sticker inside. I will try to use this tomorrow in my for my duty. I'll be having my 3 to 11 shift tomorrow, so I feel, it's so nice and it's a gift for myself. Uh, I seldom buy shoes for myself, so this is it. It's very nice. Look at the sole. Mm-hmm. I'll show you. Yeah, it's very nice, guys. Mm. You can use it outdoor when you go walking, jogging, or maybe like playing badminton. What else? It's really nice if you will travel. If you will travel, because mostly in traveling, you need to walk and walk and walk, so you need a comfortable shoes, just not to ruin your vacation or your tour. So, but before you buy shoes, guys, you need to fit first so that it will not hurt your feet. And it is made in China, so it's very nice. Yeah. And yes, look at this one. It's very nice. It's better if you will buy shoes, you need to fit it first. And of course, you need to choose uh, the best shoes that will fit you because you'll be the one using it. So this one, I really love it, especially the color. And of course, it's sale, so I grabbed the opportunity because I can afford the original price. So like this, look, I don't know how much that in peso. You just times 13, guys. I don't know. So it's very nice. It's a very nice shoes, and I know, yeah, and it's very useful for me, and I feel comfortable with this kind and this type of design, and yeah, look at the check. Look at the check. Check. It's Nike, and I love the color blue. Mm, it's very nice. And I think the sole inside, the sole pads, not that soft, but I think, yeah, it's very nice, guys. This is it. I'll show you. Mhm. Nike Zoom. I think I don't know what's the. I will show you the, yeah. Uh, Nike Nike Zoom. What's this? Winflo 6. Mountain. The color is Gridiron Mountain Blue Black. Yeah, size 8. Yeah, there's still a price tag. It's 249. Yeah, so it's 50% off, so nothing to worry. Yeah, it's very nice. This one, let me fit it. See, it's very nice. Take a look. Look at the shoelaces. It's very nice also. Mhm. Yeah, it's very nice. Mhm. I'll show you slowly. This is the right foot for right foot. Yeah. So we just mm, This one also, or left. You can use this for hiking, going to the mountain, or going outdoor like Rocky Mountain. It's very nice, and it's I think it's so easy to clean this one also. Yeah, just wipe like antibacterial wipes on it, or you can I think you can wash this also. These are washable shoes, so nothing to worry about it. Hmm. Yeah, it's very nice. I got new shoes again. I bought this because it's very important. I don't just buy shoes just because it's not useful. I buy this because it's very useful in my job as a COVID response nurse. So need to wear a comfortable shoes for 8 hours. And yeah, I'm so excited to wear this one tomorrow. And of course, I need to wear socks like just not that thick sock, but the thin one. Yeah, it's very nice, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video unboxing this um, shoes, Nike shoes. Yeah, it's very nice. So it's on sale, 50% discount again. So yeah. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Mm. Again, this is Jobs Travels. If you guys didn't like or subscribe my channels, please do like and my channel and click the notification bell for more updates about my blogs and my videos, and just we will just enjoy life to the fullest. Again, this is Jobs Travels saying chararat meow meow ow. Peace. God bless everyone and keep safe. I love you all. See you in my next vlog. Just comment below any topic you would like me to do. As long it's as long as it follows the rule of YouTube. Again, guys, bye.